Yo, what's good? It's your boy Pmarshinart back at it again. And I know I had a little hiatus or whatever, but you know I'm back. And I said I'm gonna do something crazy. This is something that I had in storage for a while. You might have seen on my page, but a lot of people was wondering how I did it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video of me doing the actual shoot. Today I will be doing the Huarache Supreme LV collaboration that came out. It was really popular in like 19. Wow, tripping. And basically it was really popular at that time. It's still around a little bit, but you know, kind of Supreme and kind of fell off a little bit, but it's still popping. But anywho, let's go ahead and get to this video. I'm gonna make it short and brief. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna talk less and let you guys watch, but please make sure you hit the like, subscribe button and hit that bell notification, and make sure you comment below. All right, peace. Let's do it. For this part, I traditionally apply the stencil by hand. At least the biggest pieces, like the S and U's and the P's and stuff like that, I apply those on the toe box by hand. Make it much easier for myself. Then, for the next step, that's when I start applying the transfer tape on top of the design. Everything I'm listing in this video today will be listed below and linked below, so you can go ahead and grab that if you need that, if you want to do it at home. But yeah, all right. Alright, so now we're on to the next step. I'm applying a finisher to the actual rubber tips on the back of the shoe. And this way it'll prevent it from any scuff marks. They will prevent the paint from coming off. I also applied Angelus too hard to the paint when I applied the paint to the rubber tips so that they be more durable. Everything I'm mentioning right now will be in the link below, so you go ahead and purchase everything that you see in this video straight at the bottom. Unfortunately, I didn't get this footage of me dyeing the blue part of the shoe, but I used Angelus jet black dye to do it. I just ran out of space on my camera, so unfortunately I didn't get that footage.